Ladies, good morning. I wanted to come on and talk to you girls about parties. Parties are your bread and butter. That is how you bonus qualify every month, is to hold parties, whether it be in person or on Facebook. I do my parties on Facebook. I actually have an in-home party later this month that I'm really excited about. It'll be my first one. So, the potential for parties is everything. I have created this Stylist income worksheet. It's probably backwards for y'all, but I'll place it in the comments for you to see. But just to give you some examples, okay? So if you do 3 nail bars in a month and they average $195 per party, which is so doable, that's going to be $585, and at $585 you make 25% commission. That looks like $146 stylist profit, and that is before you make any earnings on any of your enrollees. Okay, so let's look at 4 nail bars in a month that average $300 a party. Okay, so what a $300 party looks like is 8 buy 3 get 1 free buys. Okay, so if you look at it like this, if you really work with your hostesses, and I'm going to talk a little bit about hostess coaching because that's everything. If you work with your hostess and she has 25 people in her party group who want to be there, you can count on 1/3 of them buying. And there's your 8 purchases, okay? And most people, I find, especially when I do my early bird special, take advantage of the buy 3 get 1 free. And so there you have it, a $300 party. So 4 nail bars averaging $300 per party, that's $1,200. At $1,200 you make an enhanced commission of 30%. So $1,200 times 30% commission, that's $360 stylist profit, and you bonus qualified. With 4 nail bars averaging $300 in a month, you more than bonus qualify, okay? So there's no reason why you can't bonus qualify. You gotta hustle, and you've gotta find the parties, and you've gotta coach your hostess, and you've got it, you're there. While I'm talking about that, let me just pop this up here real quick, okay? So Color Street gives us incentives, and the incentive for August and September is this glitter dip collection right here called Best in Show. It's kind of like a really rich burgundy with, it looks like gold or rose gold or maybe both glitter. I'm pretty sure it's both rose gold and gold. If you bonus qualify, if you sell $300 in both August and September, you're there, and you will get 5 of these sets, and they're exclusive. You can't get them any other way. And so imagine what you can do with that. Like I made a list of some ideas. So people naturally want what they can't have. You can sell them for $13 each and turn a $65 profit. That's one way. You can use them as incentives to make sales. So like each person who takes advantage of buy 3 get 1 free between now and tomorrow will be entered to win this exclusive set for free. Show it to them. As a gesture of appreciation, I'm sending through 3 most active VIPers this exclusive set in the mail today, and name them out and tag them. And there's your incentive for people to be interactive and participate in your VIP group. To your VIPs, post a Nelfie. You can encourage them to post a Nelfie on their own wall with a Color Street testimonial and link it to your VIP group, and they'll be entered to win that exclusive set. There's some incentive for them to help you grow your group, and it's really organic that way. And then my favorite and what I'm looking forward to is just on the down low, I'm gonna mail some of those sets out to some of my best customers and just let them know how much I appreciate their customer loyalty and how much I appreciate their support. So make sure you get those, make sure you get them. Bonus qualified this month and next month, and you're there. All right, back to the Stylist income worksheet. I want to show you the possibility when you hustle even more, okay? And we're coming into the holiday season, so it's a great time to encourage people to host parties because they'll earn free stuff, and then there's their gift. Halloween's coming up. There's an amazing release coming out for that. So let's look at six nail bars inside of a month, averaging $250 per party, okay? That's $1,500. At $1,500, you have an enhanced commission of 30%, and so you're gonna make $450. And again, that's just you. That is not taking into account any of the girls who enroll under you who you're going to make off of as well. 8 nail bars. This needs to be my goal because this is really exciting. Look. Ivanka, say hi. I need to roll my chair over so you can see her. Hey, do you want to be on film? Okay. Sorry for that little interruption. She wants to go outside, so I'm going to be quick. Just hang on just a minute. Okay, so 8 nail bars averaging $300 per party. And like I said, get your hostess to put hair. Get your hostess to invite 25 people who are interested. A third of them take advantage of the buy 3 get 1 free. I'm coming. 8 nail bars averaging $300 party. That's $2,400. Y'all, at $2,400, you get 35% commission. Girl, $840 stylist profit. Book the parties. Book all the parties. Book all the parties. Okay, so hostess training, because what is a party if you don't have a good hostess? And you can't expect that someone is just going to be a good hostess. A lot of people need some help, and it's your job to coach them to be a good hostess. You're going to want to talk to your hostess ahead of time. I send my hostesses out a hostess guideline sheet. I think the number one thing that you need to encourage your hostess to do is to interact. They need to interact with every post and every comment because these are their friends. Their friends trust them, not necessarily you as a stylist. You have to earn that over time. So I ask my hostesses to interact with every single post. And sometimes I'll even message, or if I have their text message, some of my hostesses I know better than others, but I'll be like, hop over to your group, so-and-so just did such and such, okay? So don't be afraid to do that. Your hostesses want to earn as much free stuff as they can, so they're going to appreciate you helping them. I found that mine appreciate that. You, as a stylist, want to be enthusiastic. I think it's a really good idea for a stylist to go live inside of the party group. Now, I cheat, and I have a video that I have created that's kind of generic, that I open up a pack, show them what to expect is in there, and I put on an accent nail. Actually, that's why I have Blue Lagoon on over the, what is this one? It's Dubai Cool or something, the glitter dots. I don't even know the names of them because they're so new. Anyway, yeah, so I put on, and it just shows them real quick. Like, they're not having to watch long. I think the video is like 5 minutes. Shows them how quick they are to put on. They get to hear my enthusiasm about the party, and I encourage them to ask me any questions. The light is like awful. Anyway, so your enthusiasm, get your hostess to be interactive, send out a guideline, and I'll post that as well, my guideline. One thing that I am a real stickler for is I do not want my hostesses adding 100 people to the party. I encourage them to post a picture of their nails and try to get their face in it so Facebook doesn't hide the post. That's always fun, to try to get a natural nailfy picture with your face in it. But and just to talk about the product and ask people if they'd like to be added, and then put a link in the comment section. So get them to hustle to get people to join the group. That way, you know, if you have 25 people in there who want to be there, you're gonna have a good party. Then offer samples. If you haven't created a Google document link to share in your parties and on your page and on Instagram and all the places, get on that. Because we all know once people try these samples, they're done. I have this little card right here that has all of my information on it. I use cute little washi tape, and I tape that here, and then I staple this here. I put it in an envelope. I write a little note on my cute little, oh, this is everything, y'all. It's like Post-it notes, but like that little. I just write a little thank you on there, stick it in the mail at the beginning of the party. I post for people to ask for free samples. And I'm making my parties last longer now so they have a chance to get those in and then place their order. And I will let y'all know how that works out when it's done. So offer the samples, and then when people start buying, thank them. I like to look at their order and pick a nail fee of something that they've ordered and post that on the page and tag them and thank them for their order. Because when people see people start buying and they see those real life nail fees, they want to buy too. And then always, 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 as the party wraps up, share the business opportunity. You can do that by a live video. You can post like one of your business blessing posts that you've done in the past, but always share the business opportunity, because parties are one of the best places for you to recruit. The people who love the product are the ones that are going to want to sell it. I don't love the product because I sell it. I sell the product because I love it. So, is that everything? Yeah. And I am going to post this tracker right here in the comments of our group. And I would love for you guys to print it out, because I've got places to fill in what, and then what you think you can do. Some of you have done parties, you know kind of what you average. You know how many you can do. So get it on paper and set some goals for yourself. And always make your minimum goal to bonus qualify every month. But again, I'm just going to say it. 8 nail bars averaging a $300 party. You are going to have an $840 minimum paycheck at the end of the month. That's good, y'all. That's exciting, right? Alrighty, if you guys have questions about anything, or if any of you have seen things that work really well inside of your parties, share it here so that we can all benefit from it, because teamwork makes the dream work, right? Alrighty, I guess that's it. Y'all have a good day.